So guys, we got the baby ducklings inside. You want to see them? Look at them. Look, here's one. Look, see, here's a full functioning ducky. Looking like a number of ducky. Good. Tap. See? And also, I have one too. So that means there's only 3 more left.
And guys, mine's climbing up on below.
So guys, the one my mom wants is the black one. So we're gonna try to get the black ducky today. And I guess the other two too. So yeah, I guess we're gonna get the other 2 ones too. And the black one, Mom wants. So my mom's still awake, but she doesn't want to make food. Part of the plan. So
Well,
so this is what we named him. So the one with the long beard is called Jerry, and one with the no beard. Give me him. That's my ducky. And the other one is no beard is Tom. My ducky. So guys, look at me. Guys, this is a cute story about the one Jerry had the long beard. Guess what? He was like real skinny. We only put like a little bit of water. And after a couple of minutes, he was like, "Oh, wet." The mom was like, "Is there something you need to tell me about?" I was like, "What was it?" Sister put soap in the water. I was like, "Sister, why are you putting soap in the water?" And you're like, "Are you crazy? They can't drink that. It'll make them die." And what she said, if they're too wet or cold, he will die. So we brought out this mom's lamp, just like in Royal King, and there's a bowl of water right there to make them like their home, like their mom. So yeah, now we put the like. Oh, the bowl right about it. She just said, guys, so yeah.